Consumer goods and retail companies need to continuously innovate to stay top of mind in an increasingly competitive market. Innovation requires access to data for developing differentiated customer experiences through in-store, online, and mobile applications. But the data is scattered throughout your ERP, finance, e-commerce, and customer support systems. Delivering this data for innovation is often a slow, manual process that impedes application development agility. Added to that, concern about keeping personal customer information and credit card numbers safe often stifles the ability to move and share data. Delphix unlocks enterprise data for application development, testing, and analysis, and provides self-service personal data environments that are available in minutes with full control over bookmarking, branching, sharing, refreshing, and restoring data. Sensitive information is irreversibly masked in accordance with data privacy regulations such as PCI and GDPR. Having secure current data available in minutes creates an agile environment for developing customer-centric products and applications faster, embracing transformative technologies such as hybrid cloud, and securely sharing data with supply chain partners, leading to differentiated customer experiences, expanded partnerships, and the ability to stay ahead of data privacy regulations. With Delphix, consumer goods and retail organizations can excel at data management and security. Contact Delphix today to find out how.